So recently I come across something really very shocking. There has been a massive data leak of 16 billion passwords. Yes, you heard right. It is a 16 billion, and this is the biggest data exposure ever online. And no, it's not just one small account or some random set. This includes logging details from platforms like Facebook, Gmail, Apple ID, Telegram, government portals, and even banking apps. And the most scariest part that most of us don't even know that we are actually affected from this. And now the thing is, this is not the result of one big hack. It's actually a combination of different 30 data breaches, like multiple dumps of user credentials that have been collected over the year, and now they has been bundled together for a massive data leak. So how did hackers get all this information? Not by hacking Facebook or Google directly or individually. They use something called InfoStealer malware. And honestly, this is the part which freaks me out the most. InfoStealer are actually a tiny piece of malwares that silently get into your phone or laptop, usually through fake downloads or shady links, or sometime by infected apps that you download. Okay, and once they are inside your system, they start stealing information. Whatever you type, your Gmail ID, your password, your session tokens, saved login, even autofill details like your address, Aadhaar card number, or some personal detail. It's all get quickly downloaded and uploaded to the server. So basically, ever if you have never clicked on anything shady, if your device is infected or malware already sending your data out without you knowing. And this is how 16 billion record has been collected and built by quickly harvesting the credentials from millions of infected devices. So now, obviously not all 16 records are unique. They are duplicated, they are old data too, but the way it's structured and it's make already useful for attackers. Actually, they are using this data for phishing, identity theft, and login takeover, financial frauds, which is already happening. So the question is, so what we can do now? First thing, go check your email on haveibeenprawned.com. It's free, and it will tell you your email is a part of the leak or not. Even it's not, just assume that your data could be the exposed, because lots of the data has not been published publicly yet. Okay, so next, change your password, especially the important one: Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, your bank logins. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. This one step can save you from a full account takeover, even if your password is leaked. And please don't save your password in your browser. I know this will save your time, but still, please don't. Just use a password manager. It's easier and way more secure than saving your password in your browser. Also, run a full malware scan on your laptop or phone, especially if you're downloading anything from unofficial site. Okay, a good antivirus or anti-malware tool can detect InfoStealer and remove them. And honestly, please use platform supports, Google, Apple IDs or applications. Start using passkey instead of passwords. They are more secure and hard to steal. I know, actually, I know this sounds overwhelming, but the truth is, this is what happening online right now. And if you're ignoring it, thinking "mujhe to kuch nahi hoga," then what when actually get hits? So please take a minute today and check your password and just be little more careful online. And yeah, if you find this helpful, follow me for more updates. I break these complex security issues into real practice stuff that anyone can understand. We are all online. We should be safe too.